guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a crazy video because it's going to be something that's completely different, something that's completely close to my heart as well, because it was the moment that I decided that I was going to quit my 9 to 5, go follow my dreams and my passions, and yeah, skip the rat race. I promised myself that I would document the whole journey and show you guys how I went from working in a corporate job to managing 4 people and quitting to pursue my dreams and finding myself during this crazy time of COVID. If you're a university student or you're working 9 to 5 and you're wanting to find some inspiration, then this video is going to be for you so that you can escape the rat race, live life on your own terms, and be your own boss. I worked in a digital agency for 6 months, and as much as I loved my job and as much as I loved the people that I worked with and everything like that, I realized very quickly that I did not want to work for somebody else, and I wanted to be my own boss and I wanted to live life on my own terms. And I made this quick decision, and it was crazy because I remember the couple of days leading up to it, there was so much anxiety, there was so much fear, and I just remember thinking, wow, like, I can't believe that I'm doing this. But I took the leap and I had the courage to do it, and I remember the day that I did it, I had this immense feeling of calm, and it lasted for about 15 minutes, let me tell you that, and it was just so much happiness, so much bliss, so much serene calm. And then I realized thinking, oh shit, like, what am I actually going to do? And I just remember this wave of fear running through my body, and you know, even a couple of months in, I was so confused of everything that I was going to do. I was doing a lot of freelance work and I was just trying to make ends meet basically, and trying to cover the bills and everything like that, which was crazy. So I just want you to know that it's not going to be an easy decision, but I remember feeling all the fears that I felt and all the kind of emotions that come along with it. But I look back now and I'm so grateful that I had the courage and the strength to take that leap, to trust myself, and just to go for it as well. So hopefully this video is going to signify the start of something new, and it's going to serve as an inspiration to you, to follow your dreams, to follow your passions, and to know deep down that whatever it is that you're wanting to do, it's going to be done on the opposite side of fear, because trust me, there's always going to be something better for you. Fast track about a couple of months, I was trying and testing a bunch of things, and some of it worked, some of it didn't work. But now I finally feel like I'm getting to that place where I'm finding more alignment with myself and where I wanted to go. And I'm about to launch my first activewear brand, and also started my social media management company, which is awesome as well. So in the start of starting something new and creating this new wave of excitement and engagement with you guys, I really want to do a shout out, and you can do this by sharing this video and tagging me at mary.prabashi on Instagram, or you can write a comment down below and I will shout out your Instagram and your YouTube in my next video. So let's be inclusive, let's be a part of this community, and I'm ready to see you guys grow. I'm ready to grow with you, and I'm ready to share my journey with you and take you guys along the ride. Now again, I'm in no way telling you to quit your job or stop anything that you're doing right now, but at the end of the day, if you're like me, you're a little bit ambitious, you're wanting to, you know, get some income on the side, and you use social media to do it, whether that's to build an audience online and to create some income and turn your followers into paying customers, well, this channel is going to be for you. The next couple of videos are going to explain everything that I've been learning and I've been doing to implement all of these things as well. And now you can follow me at Instagram at mary.prabashi, or you can follow me on TikTok at maryfonseca as well. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. And for my next video, I'll be talking about how to build an audience online and how to create more engagement through using your social media platforms. Alright, so thank you again for watching my video, and if you haven't done yet, hit that notification bell button. I'll be posting videos every single week, and if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to my channel and you'll watch my videos every Sunday, and I'm excited to see you here. And thank you for being a part of my community, and I'll see you again.